guys, welcome back. I'm Summer here and I have such a fun video. I'm so stoked to share it with you. In my previous video, I did a bathroom makeover for my new design client, Rachel. If you didn't get a chance to check that out, it's up here. But today is the day that I revealed to you what we've done in her kitchen. It looks amazing. It's this like beachy, bright, colorful, fun boho kind of a vibe in there, and I am so excited about it. I'm jealous. I want it for my own place. It's so cute. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, and I please beg you to help your girl out and subscribe to my channel and help me keep this dream alive by subscribing below. I will link all of the items that we used in this space in the description box below. I hope you guys like this and check out what we did in here. After checking out Rachel's kitchen, I knew immediately that I wanted to brighten it up, give it some personality, and kind of just give it some life. I wanted to take away this gray, sterile, and kind of boring color and make it more warm, make it more inviting. Her main concern was this laundry area. She hated it. She hated that it was next to the sink. It wasn't that accessible and just not that cute. So we came up with some solutions to make the space work. Hit the ground running and went to Pinterest immediately. I asked Rachel to share with me some of her ideas for her overall tone, vibe, and feel of the space. Talking with Rachel and discussing her needs and desires, she decided she loved a colorful, beachy, boho idea. I drew up some sketches with her to show her how her space could work. I then created a mood board for Rachel's overall kitchen space. Boho, bright, colorful, and warm. So today I'm in Rachel's kitchen and we're getting ready to start this part of the makeover. I'm really excited about it. I have got some really fun things in here. Look how cool, you guys. I got this like awesome peel and stick tile. So we're gonna create a backsplash up on this wall there. And I also had got a cabinet and I hung that up here. I had a little bit of help from a friend. But anyways, I was trying to, she hates this area, how the washer and dryer are like literally in her space. So we're trying to make it cuter, make it more efficient to use here. And we're gonna do a cool DIY on how to hide this ugly washer and dryer hookup, but I'm really excited to get started on this one. It's gonna be so cool. Changed out the hardware. How cute are these? And oh my gosh, this rug, it's like gonna come together with this and it's gonna be so cute. So I'm really excited. I'm getting ready to do our peel and stick tiles that we're gonna use in a backsplash here in Rachel's kitchen. And I thought this was a really fun and cool idea because it's renter friendly. So when she leaves, she's not making any mess, but it's also just a way to kind of elevate the space and the look in here a little bit. So I'm actually using a laser level to kind of make sure that my line is nice and straight. I'm gonna start from the corner, from the left corner, and work my way to the right, and then go back down and work that way. Again, I'm using a level and I've used a pencil to kind of just mark off on the wall, so I'm kind of following a guide, so these are going to be straight. And with the first piece of tile here, you can see how it comes. I will link these in the description box below, but we're gonna just, since I'm starting in the corner, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna use a ruler and cut this even to start in the corner. Also, I'm going to save these backings, like this comes on like an adhesive like paper thing here. We're gonna save the back of this because when I get to an area like an electrical outlet or somewhere, then I can just use the paper and create like my own little stencil, so I know how to cut the tiles out so it will be perfect for over the electrical. So hopefully this is easy as it looks. I don't know, I'm a little bit nervous. I've never done this before, so bear with me here. We're learning together. Oh my gosh, it's looking so good. This changed every single thing. I'm still working on this over here. We got our cabinet hung, and you guys, this whole place is like really coming together. The doggies like it. I'm back in Rachel's, and we are on day 2 of her kitchen makeover, and it's looking so good in here and really colorful and vibrant, and I'm really excited about it. The first day you saw me put up the peel and stick tile, which I think looks really good. And today I'm in here, I've got my painting clothes on, and I'm gonna be painting this little breakfast nook. I'm not gonna be painting the whole kitchen, I just kind of want to tape it off and make it feel a little more special. The one thing about this little breakfast nook here that I didn't really love is where the placement of her table is. It's really the only place that the table can go. I did kind of maneuver it, like turn the table so she had a little more walkway space here. But the thing that I hated was like this side of the refrigerator. It really wasn't my favorite, so I came up with a cool solution. We purchased, or I should say Rachel purchased, some, we've got some really cool, like this Shibori tie-dye, like sky blue peel and stick wallpaper from Urban Outfitters. And I'm just gonna use an X-Acto blade and a ruler and kind of just peel it and stick it and put it on the side there. And I think it's gonna look so much cuter and just really add to our whole colorful, beachy boho kitchen. I have the paper here, and I'm gonna just, I'm not gonna peel the entire thing off just yet. I'm gonna just like take section, like start at the top, and kind of use a credit card to just like get the air bubbles out. You can see here that I don't have enough for this space, but I do have extra. So I think what I'm gonna do after is take the extra, and before peeling it off, kind of make a mark here where I need it, and then just cut it. So hopefully this technique works. I'm not sure. So check it out, what I do. Okay, so now I'm at a place where I ran out of paper. As I told you prior, I got 2. So my solution to doing this, I thought at first I was gonna like make a template and I'd cut it, and then I just wanted to be sure that I didn't mess up the wallpaper or anything or use too much extra. So I've just taped it up there temporarily. I'm folding it around the back, and I'm literally just gonna cut it up, and then that way I don't waste too much of the paper and I can use the excess for the bottom here. So hopefully this works. So I was just on my evening walk with Rosie, and I was walking by, and you guys, I can't help it. I find stuff everywhere. I found this like weird piece of long wood, and I think I might be able to use it for Rachel's washer and dryer hookups, because I was gonna build like a little something to hide the washer and dryer hookups in there, because she really hates that. And I think if I paint this thing that it will look pretty cool, I hope. Otherwise I just look like a crazy person walking down my street with this giant piece of wood with my dog, but it's okay. We're gonna try it out. I am out here on my little outdoor area, and I've got Rosie here, and I'm really excited. I showed you guys yesterday on my walk that giant piece of wood that I found on the side of the road, and I got even more lucky today, and I'm super excited about it because I needed to figure out how I was going to cut it and build a shelf out of it. I have minimal tools, especially like a saw. Hopefully I will be getting some of those tools in the near future. However, I always am walking around my neighborhood with my dog and am pretty friendly with the neighbors, and I happened to be walking by my neighbor Kim's house, and he was like, has this awesome workshop in his garage, and I'm like, oh my gosh, your workshop is so cool. I need some of these tools. I need to cut this piece of wood because I'm trying to make this shelf to cover this thing, and I found this giant piece of wood. Long story short, he helped me, you guys, build this whole shelf, and it looks freaking awesome, and I think it's gonna work. At least I hope it's going to work. So check out this wood. I had him cut it. So I cut it to the depth of our where the wall and the washer and dryer meet, and I didn't have the measurements. I was trying to save myself a trip for the length of it, but I felt like the longer the better. So I'm thinking that this is gonna look freaking awesome. It's gonna hide those washer and dryer hookups, and she can like set like her little, like a little basket maybe of like dryer sheets or something on here that looks really cute. I obviously don't like how the look of this is, so I am going to take some white paint and a dry paintbrush, and I also have like some greenish color chalk paint that's kind of similar to the tile that we did. So I'm gonna kind of brush it in here like a dry brush, and I think it's going to look so good. So now I just finished painting it, and I think it looks pretty cute. Did her bathroom. I can't talk at all. Womp womp.